cool feature with NVIDIA, you can add NVIDIA broadcast filters to OBS, such as this background filter. Now you may be saying, oh, but I can control the NVIDIA broadcast filters in Stream Deck. You can do so much more if you can have them in OBS. But if you're having issues viewing these filters in OBS, check out this video. But first, a word from our sponsors. Oh wait, we don't have sponsors. First thing you need to do is copy the link below for the website for the SDKs on the NVIDIA broadcast website. SDK stands for Software Development Kit, and they'll have one for each graphics card series. Unless you have 1080, then you're shit out of luck. Sorry. Once you have the SDKs downloaded, go ahead and start your OBS and see if that fixed your problem. If not, follow the rest of this video because I have a fix nobody else has posted on YouTube. At least I don't think, because I didn't find it anywhere. Go to your C disk drive, go to program files, find OBS Studio, OBS plugins to 64-bit, scroll down until you find the filters that say nv-filters.dll and nv-filters.pdb. Ugh, say that 10 times fast. Delete both of those. Navigate over to the GitHub website link in the description below. Scroll down to the bottom. You're gonna see a lot of instructions on stuff I just told you to do, but the fix we're looking for is by this author called the PK Viet. Click that test builds link. You'll notice the first problem you're gonna have is that you can't access the content. Don't panic. Okay, maybe you can panic a little. Just create an account and sign in. After that, you'll be able to access the content. It'll let you download those files. You're gonna have to extract it twice. I don't know why they put a zip folder inside of a zip folder, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers, okay? Once it's extracted, go into the OBS plugins folder and find those two files that we deleted previously. nv-filters files, the .dll and the .pdb. Once you have those copied, go ahead back to the local disk C drive, program files, OBS Studio, OBS plugins, 64-bit, paste those files right in this folder. Woo, you're done, yay! Open OBS, go to any source, right click, go to filters, and then go ahead and under effect filters, add a filter, and you should see NVIDIA background blur filter, NVIDIA background removal, and NVIDIA blur filter. If this doesn't work for you guys, let me know, but this should work for everyone. So if you like the videos, make sure you like, follow, comment, subscribe, check out my Twitch. I've also made a bunch of other videos that might be helpful to you, so check out my channel. If not, it's okay. All right, peace out, bye. PDB